How to add multi-step form in Wix Studio. So in order to add a multi-step form in Wix Studio, I have in here this blank section. Just head over and click onto this plus icon or this plus icon in order to add elements. Now from there, what we can do is you can go over it here to the contacts and forms option. Now from in there, you can see these options that we have. It can be a new form, an existing form, contact form, and the likes. So for this case, let's create from scratch. Let's drag this and then put it into this particular blank part of our page. Let's attach it right here. And then it will open our form builder from our dashboard. So just wait for this to load in order to open the form builder. So you can see in here what it shall look like from this part as well. So just head over and then wait for it to successfully load. So from this part, you can just head over and add in here some form fields. So to make it multi-step, let's input right here multi-fields. Let's choose in here first name, and then let's also add another field that we would want and put it below. Let's also collect emails. And then also input right here birthday. And also we have in here this multi-line address. Let's also input that right here. Now you can also add some more like general options, spell upload, star rating, choices, and a lot more. So for this case, I'll head over and choose in here this appointment or scheduling. And I'll just drag it into the bottom of this field. Put that right there, and you should be able to add that. So once you're satisfied with this particular form that you have created, you can click onto this save option right here, and it should be added right there into your actual form right here. Just wait for this to load in order to reflect the form that you have just created. So that's how you add multi-step form in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.